OpenAI has released GPT 5.2 Codex, its latest agentic artificial intelligence coding model built specifically for professional software engineering. According to OpenAI, GPT 5.2 Codex is described as the most advanced agentic coding model for professional software engineering and defensive cybersecurity. The model is designed to handle complex software engineering workflows and has been optimized for real-world coding applications. Beyond software development, OpenAI is positioning GPT 5.2 Codex as a tool for defensive cybersecurity operations, marking an expansion into cyber defense capabilities. The release represents OpenAI's continued push into specialized AI models, following the launch of GPT 5.2, which the company describes as the most advanced frontier model for professional work and long-running agents. GPT 5.2 Codex is now available through OpenAI's developer platform, joining the company's growing suite of specialized AI tools for professional applications.